Treatment for HIV has come a long way, but many of the people living with the virus also live with pain because of nerve complications. According to the National Library of Medicine, 51% of people with HIV experience pain that's associated with the virus. Well, now a researcher right here at the University of New England has been awarded $1.7 million in grant money to research the development of a drug to treat the nerve pain in HIV patients. News 9's Ann Baldridge went to her lab today on the Biddeford campus and has more.
18 years ago, Ling Sao, a professor of biomedical sciences at UNE, started researching ways to help alleviate nerve pain for people with HIV.
The toes and then the foot and then going up, so it's the nerve kind of degenerating and dying back. So over time, the symptoms become severe.
Currently, there is no U.S. FDA-approved treatment for this condition. Sao says she hopes the $1.7 million grant from the National Institutes of Health will allow her lab to help develop a novel drug to treat nerve pain experienced by more than half of HIV patients.
We can support not just doing the experiment, we can also support a lot of students being on the project or working with us.
She is showing students the opportunities available even at a smaller school.
It's a small school, so to hear that we're getting millions of dollars to study HIV and pain, it shows me that students can come here and they can get the same mentor experience that they would at these big universities, and it's in this small state of Maine.
I came into this research not knowing anything, not even knowing how to use a pipette, but they've taught me so many ways and new protocols and new lab techniques that actually will help me in my next year.
The funding will be distributed over a 5-year period with the hopes that researchers will be able to identify at least a couple drug candidates by the time the grant runs out.
Be testing in our animal models, and then down the road we're hoping we can test it in human with the clinical trials.
To be able to move to the next phase of drug development and FDA approval. In Biddeford, Ann Baldridge, News Center, Maine.